Welcome back to SparkSkyTech, your go-to space for smart tools, focused growth, and inspired learning. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial parts of the exam: listening. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this breakdown will help you understand what's really going on in each section, and how to master them all. It lasts about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on whether it is taken on a computer or on paper. You'll listen to 4 different recordings, ranging from conversations to academic lectures. There are 40 questions in total, 10 for each recording. You'll answer as you listen, testing your ability to understand main ideas, details, and opinions. Let's now explore common questions and effective strategies to solve each section of the IELTS listening test in detail. And we'll practice real-time examples for each recording section together in the upcoming video. Section 1: Everyday Conversation. Let's begin with Section 1, the first part of the listening test. This is where you'll hear a conversation between two people discussing something from everyday life, like booking a hotel room, signing up for a service, or asking about travel arrangements. The goal here is to extract specific information: names, dates, addresses, phone numbers, prices, etc. The questions usually come in the form of form completion, note completion, or short answer questions. Now, let's talk strategy. First, always read ahead. Use the time given before the audio starts to predict the kind of word you might need, like a number, a date, or a proper noun. Second, listen for keywords like booking reference, checkout date, or postcode. These signal what kind of info you should focus on. Don't panic if you miss a detail. Move forward with the speaker. The answers come in order. Section 2: Everyday Monologue. Moving on to Section 2, which features a monologue. That means one person speaking. You might hear a tour guide describing a city layout, a radio announcement about events, or even a presentation about local services. This section tests your ability to follow a clear structure and identify key points. Common question types include map labeling, plan labeling, multiple choice, matching, and sentence completion. Here's how to succeed. Again, use the prep time to look at the questions. For maps or plans, pay attention to directions like to the left, next to, or opposite. Also, listen for signal words like now, next, or finally. These help you track where you are in the speaker's flow. Section 3: Academic Discussion. Time to level up. Section 3 introduces a more academic setting. This is often a conversation between 2 or 3 students and a tutor, discussing an assignment, research project, or study plan. The language becomes more formal, and the ideas get more complex. You'll be asked to match opinions, choose from multiple choice options, fill in flowcharts, or complete notes. In this section, it's not enough to just catch the facts. You need to understand who said what, and why they said it. Listen carefully for opinions, suggestions, and comparisons. One big challenge here? Distractors. That's when someone gives an idea, then corrects themselves or changes their mind. So don't jump to conclusions. The right answer may come later. Stay alert to shifts in opinion. Don't get stuck on the first thing you hear. Section 4: Academic Monologue. Finally, we reach the most challenging section. Section 4. This is a formal academic lecture on a topic like science, history, education, or the environment. There's no conversation here, just one speaker presenting information. The questions usually ask you to complete notes, summaries, or sentences. Your job is to follow the structure of the talk and pick out main ideas and supporting details. Don't try to write down everything, you'll fall behind. Instead, focus on keywords and signpost phrases like, in contrast, as a result, or, one important point is. These help you organize the information mentally. Practice paraphrasing. Answers often aren't direct quotes, they're reworded versions. Quick tips recap. Now that you've seen all 4 sections, here are some final tips to boost your performance. Tip 1. Train your ear. Improve your listening by exposing yourself to different accents and styles. Listen to podcasts, watch lectures, and do full IELTS practice tests. Then transcribe what you hear and compare with the script. Tip 2. Predict the answers. Use the time before each recording to scan the questions. Underline keywords and guess the type of answer you'll need, like a number, adjective, or name. Tip 3. Avoid common mistakes. Don't leave blanks. Even a best guess is better than nothing. Watch out for spelling errors and word limits. And remember, if you miss a question, keep going. Tip 4. Smart practice routine. Practice smarter, not harder. Take a full listening test. Review your answers. Listen again with the script. Shadow the speaker. Then retake the test after a week to see how much you've improved. Tip 5. Use transfer time wisely. At the end, you'll have 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the official answer sheet. Use every second to check spelling, grammar, and handwriting. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button below, drop your target score in the comments, and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Oh, and turn on notifications. Subscribe now for more IELTS success strategies. Want even more support? Download our free listening tracker and strategy guide at SparkSkyTech.com. It includes step-by-step guides, progress charts, and expert tips to help you improve faster. Download your free listening tracker today at SparkSkyTech.com. Thanks for watching. Stay focused, stay consistent, and remember